Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today, we'd like to talk again about Bitget Wallet and how you can trade futures trading inside a Bitget Wallet. Let's dive in. All right, guys, I highly recommend you go and check big tutorials about the Bitget Wallet and recent one about alpha and the pump fund trading inside a Bitget Wallet. Now they got a new feature. You can trade with the leverages inside the wallet application on chain. You go to the main page, home, this one, and choose futures. When you choose futures, you need to open account. So you authorize and create account to trade the futures. Futures account, open it. First of all, I don't have a USDT on my account, right? So I need to swap some tokens to get a USDT. I can go to swap, choose the BNB, and choose the USDT. Swap. I convert and swap my BNB to USDT. I go back to the futures. And now when you get a USDT on your wallet, you need to deposit that USDT to your futures account inside a Bitget wallet. We press it here, choose like a regular deposit by QR code or by wallet address, or deposit from the Bitget wallet. I choose deposit from the Bitget wallet, choose my USDT, press confirm. Send confirmation, enter the PIN code, send the confirmation. So I send my USDT from the Bitget wallet in that chain. What do you hold it? It can be the Tron, Solana, no matter what, but USDT. Let's say it can be the BOM. There is no, here's a BOM. BOM perp, this one. I can choose like a regular futures trades. I can choose the isolated or the cross margin. Let's choose the isolated margin. I can choose the leverage. So let's say 10x leverage. I can add the token to my favorites, this one, and I can check not order book, this one. I can choose to check the chart. Press it here and check the chart on different time frame. I choose limit order or market order. Here's a market order. Imagine now inside a Bitget wallet, when you trade futures, you can also add take profit and the stop loss. 50. I can buy a long or open short. Stop loss, I want to add like 0.2014. Got it. And I press buy long. So market order, fill at the market price, my current price, amount of tokens, stop loss price, margin ratio, 10%. Don't show it again. Confirm. Order place it. And now I can track my position, my orders, check my unrealized P&L inside, imagine inside the Bitget wallet. So you don't need to create an account on the centralized exchanges now to trade your favorite tokens with the leverages. It's just mind-blowing because it's like a DEX, but with one single application. I showed you an example on the MacBook, but absolutely the same you can do with your phone. Absolutely anonymously without the KYC. If you forgot about a take profit, you can tap it here and adjust the take profit like this one, confirm, for example, or to place it. Also, you have to pay attention. So even here inside a Bitget wallet, they got a funding rate. If you want to close position, for example, you just choose close, choose amount of tokens, what you would like to close by market order or by limit order, and press confirm. Order close. After that, you always can double check the history of your orders and check the funding fee if you hold the position longer. So guys, this is a way how you can now not just to swap the tokens for the spot inside a wallet. Now you can trade inside a Bitget wallet futures with the leverages, even using the market order or limit order or triggered order with the stop loss and the take profit. If you trade in the profit or you don't want to trade anymore futures accounts, you need to withdraw the money from that account. That's why you need to go to your wallet or copy some other wallet address with the correct network. I go to account on the right corner because here you can just deposit from the Bitget wallet, and sometimes the people worry about where my money from the future account. All right, you go to the right corner, press account, choose withdraw. This one, choose the BNB chain or that chain would you like to send a money, paste your wallet address, double check the correct network address, and press withdraw. But the minimum withdrawal amount of money can be only 10 USDT. So this is just for your information. Always control your risk. I hope you like this video, subscribe channel, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.